There is so much wrong information about how Google Maps ranking actually works. I have heard these myths repeated by business owners, by marketing consultants, even by people who should know better. Today we are going through the biggest ones and replacing them with what the evidence actually shows. Google's local ranking algorithm is not documented publicly in detail. That creates a vacuum that gets filled with assumptions, outdated advice, and sometimes outright misinformation. The myths in this video are not harmless misunderstandings. Some of them cause businesses to optimize for things that do not matter while ignoring things that do. Myth 1. More keywords in your business name equals higher rankings. You have probably seen this on Google Maps. Businesses with names like Smith's Plumbing Best Plumber Chicago. The theory: stuff your business name with keywords and rank for them. The reality: Google's guidelines explicitly prohibit adding keywords to your business name that are not part of your legal name. Businesses doing this can be suspended or have their listing removed. And while some keyword-heavy names do rank well, it is often because the rest of their optimization is strong, not because of the keyword stuffing. More importantly, this is a violation-based strategy. You are one competitor report away from losing your listing. The fix: use your legal business name. Win on legitimate ranking factors. Myth 2. More reviews always means higher rankings. Review count matters, but it is not the only review signal. What Google actually measures: review count, review rating, review recency, and review response rate. A business with 40 recent reviews and a 4.8 rating will typically outrank a business with 200 old reviews and a 4.0 rating. Review recency specifically is underestimated. Fresh reviews from the last 30 to 60 days carry more weight than old reviews. Build a system that generates consistent new reviews. Recency compounds. Myth 3. Your website SEO directly controls your maps ranking. Your website contributes to your authority and can indirectly influence your maps ranking. But your maps ranking is primarily controlled by your Google business profile, not your website. Businesses with simple or mediocre websites regularly outrank businesses with beautiful, technically sophisticated sites if their GBP is stronger. The fix: prioritize your GBP optimization for maps ranking. Your website matters, but it is not the primary lever. Myth 4. You need to pay Google to rank on maps. Google Maps organic rankings are not purchased. There is no way to pay Google to appear in the organic map pack. Google ads can appear near the map pack, but those are labeled as ads. The organic results are entirely determined by Google's algorithm, not payment. Myth 5. Once you rank, you stay ranked. Rankings are dynamic. Your competitors are optimizing. New businesses open. Established businesses let their profiles go stale. Businesses that rank first and stop actively managing their presence often slip in 3 to 6 months. And a new competitor who starts from scratch and executes aggressively can surpass them. Treat your ranking as something you maintain, not something you achieve. Myth 6. Google Maps ranking does not matter anymore because people use AI. The argument: ChatGPT and Google AI overviews are replacing search, so Maps ranking is becoming less relevant. The reality: AI search systems draw from the same underlying data that powers Google Maps, primarily your GBP, your reviews, and your web citations. The businesses AI recommends are overwhelmingly the same businesses that rank well on Maps. Strong GBP plus strong reviews equals ranked on Maps and recommended by AI. Myth 7. Google posts do not do anything. Here is what the evidence shows. GBP posts contribute to the activity and freshness signals Google uses to assess prominence. Businesses that post regularly show higher ranking stability than businesses that do not. And posts do get seen on your listing, in search knowledge panels by people browsing before they decide to call. Post once a week, 5 minutes. The ROI is consistently positive. 7 myths down. The real story on Google Maps ranking. It rewards businesses that are consistent, complete, and active. Nothing more complex than that. If staying consistently active sounds like more than you have time for, Ninja handles all of it automatically. Link in the description. Subscribe. We are covering Google Maps for every major local business vertical.